KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this gorgeous orange unit. So if you're interested in this orange ombre unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this unit from Bobbi Boss, and this unit can be purchased through Ebony Line. So if you want the details on this unit, I will definitely give you all of that information throughout this video. But today I am reviewing this orange unit from Bobbi Boss, and her name is Tanya. And let's just say this color alone is giving so much life. I do love this ombre look to it. It is such a beautiful mix of colors right here. I am just loving this, and you know how much I love color, so yeah, this is right up my alley. It's considered a glueless grip type of unit. So what that means is that you do not need any sort of glue to lay this down. All you will need is just this wig. And as you can see here, I'm tugging on it and there isn't much movement, and it looks as though that I laid it down with some glue, but apparently the silicone grip at the inside of the wig, yes, the silicone grip, that actually prevents the wig from moving and pretty much staying onto your head. So that's what I found really neat about this unit. It definitely, has that type of grip onto it, which is really cool. Great concept, by the way. You can get that fabulous look without having to put any glue to it. So that's what I love about this unit, and that concept is like very thoughtful of you, Bobbi Boss. Like, I do love that about this unit. So as far as like the physical specs besides the silicone grip, it does come with 3 combs, 2 at the side, 1 at the back with adjustable straps. This is just a left-sided part. You cannot make a part for yourself. It's just at the side, but I do love that. I typically do a middle part anyway, so having this side part is very cute, and it looks pretty nice as well. As you can see here, the curls on this is very bouncy and nice and loose, and it's not, too shiny, because that type of shine isn't on this unit. It's a natural sheen, which I do love as well. The color, again, it is on point. So this is what the stock card looks like here, and the model is modeling the kind of like black and blonde, and then you have the brown here. This unit does come in natural colors, and surprisingly Ebony Line has them available. So please go ahead and check that out before it sells out. Unfortunately, the color that I do have, which is a sunset orange, it isn't available. I'm sorry, but by the time you see this video, hopefully in the future it will be available for you to purchase. And of course, it's an additional $4 if you're getting a color, and if it's just a regular color, it's no additional cost. But for this type of like look and how expensive it looks already, and you don't need to put any glue to it, I think this is a 10 out of 10 and worth a purchase, you all. So definitely go ahead and check that out from ebonyline.com. It is free shipping over $70, as well as shipping, flat rate shipping, with the code $3.99. You will have a $3.99 shipping code. Orders over $30. So if you're ordering stuff and it's over $30, you can definitely put in that code. And for over $70, there's no code needed. It will automatically get you to free shipping. So yeah, I do love this wig. 10 out of 10. Please be sure to check the link down below to ebonyline.com, and of course all the colors that are available with this unit. Please check this link periodically over time. They do tend to update these stock, so you definitely would need to keep an eye out. So thank you so much, Ebony Line, for reaching out to me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And also don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below, as well as don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.